In this video, I'm discussing the most important thing you need to do in order to make $10,000 in your first 30 days as a brand new recruiting agency owner in 2022. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. So once you've made the decision to start your own recruiting agency, there's a lot of elements that go into getting your first client and then being able to fill their requisition and then moving forward to actually getting paid. But the most important thing you need to do in order to make $10,000 in the first 30 days is to be consistent. And I cannot stress this enough. Consistency goes beyond just working on your business every day. Consistency means a lot of follow-up, pretty much throughout every step of the process, from getting your first client to actually going through the process of getting paid. You will need to follow up with prospective clients anywhere from 7 to 10 times before you actually get a response. And once you've actually landed that client, you'll need to follow up with them throughout the process as well. You'll want to be sure that you understand exactly what it is that they're looking for in terms of their requisition, their ideal time frame to fill the role, their interview process, and so much more. Keep in mind that all of these things can change throughout the process of you actually trying to fill the role. So you want to keep surprises to a minimal, and you actually reaching out proactively, following up, and being consistent about that ensures that there's no surprises. Now, consistency also means having a growth mindset. What you know and what your client wants can literally be two different things. And you have to be okay with that, but also consistent on ensuring that you're catering to what their needs are. Let's be honest, as a recruiting agency owner, it's not about you and what you want. It's about your client, what they want, and what it's going to take to actually fill the requisition. You want to ensure that you're always operating from a growth mindset and willing to learn. This will ensure that you're able to fill roles faster as well as secure repeat clients. Now, if you're still with me and loving the content, be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my new videos that drop each week. Lastly, you want to be consistent when times get hard. The beginning stages of starting a recruiting agency are not pretty. There can be some pretty tough days in there, and you want to make sure that you're consistent about pushing through even when you're at your breaking point or wanting to give up. Because the truth is, if you were not capable of being successful, you wouldn't have even started this journey in the first place. You have to believe that you have what it takes to get to that $10,000, $20,000, or even $100,000 month. But you have to be consistent about pushing through the noise. And honestly, in the beginning, most of the noise is actually coming from yourself. Imposter syndrome is so real, and I still fight elements of this daily. Stay away from comparing yourself to others and understand that what you do differently is what is going to ultimately make you successful. But in order to be successful, you have to be consistent. And don't forget, if you're just starting out and you're looking for resources or help, then I do have you covered. My contract template can be a great tool for you to get started. Look down below in the description box for the link to download this free resource. And if you're interested in learning more about recruiting, then be sure to join my Facebook group. I'll also leave that link down below in the description box. We are in there talking all things recruiting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.